Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I ship out my orders. Now today I have two specific orders. One order, she ordered 100 stickers from me, and then the other one ordered 250 business cards. Before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. And also, if you're interested in getting this shirt, which says Normalize Black Wealth, I will have the link in the description box below and on my website. So let's get right into this video. Well, I also forgot to mention that I am not going to the post office to drop these off. Since they are prepaid shipping labels and I print them from PayPal, I'm gonna request a pickup for tomorrow. Before I get started, I'm gonna go ahead and sanitize the area with some Clorox wipes. Damage the stickers. So now I'm going to show you the supplies that I use. These supplies I got from Dollar Tree, very affordable. I'm only using one of them today, but these boxes were only $1 from Dollar Tree. For the confetti that I'm going to put inside of the box, I'm going to use this confetti, which is yellow because my business colors are pink, gold, black, and a little hint of white. The stickers are already packaged, but for me, I like to double protect my stickers. So they're in this bag. They're individually in this folder and clear sleeve. Now with my stickers, I like to add some extra stuff in there for my customers, just to, surprise them when they get their package. So I add in some gold baggies. They have their invoice and business card with a thank you card. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in there. And this customer right here is a returning customer. So a good way to get returning customers is to add freebies in your packaging. So her shipping label is already in the front. Everything is included already in there. So we're gonna go ahead and fold it. And I'm gonna add another sticker in the back. You never want your customers to not know where they can find you and purchase from you again. So even though she's a returning customer, I love presentation. So I put this on the back that says, "Thank you for shopping at JLS Diamond Boutique." That order is done and ready to be picked up. Open it up, it's big enough to fit a lot of business cards inside of it. Some confetti in there. That's how they're gonna fit in there, and then I'm gonna put some between. Shipping out orders and stuff, never forget to do promotional photos for your Instagram. That is how you will get more customers, when you show them what you're doing. This can be shaken up, moved, and it's still gonna be in place. So that is how that looks. My business cards to the actual card. 4 business cards. I also have a thank you note in the inside. And I'm gonna put it in the envelope. And then seal it with my logo. And I also sell these. These are our quarter size logo stickers. They are our most popular stickers. So those will be in the description box below as well. Giving her about 12 or 13 bags because she can put her products in them for her first orders. So that is her freebie. That goes in there. And I have her invoices right here. She ordered the custom logo that is on her business cards, and she ordered 250 business cards, so both of those. Now I do keep track of all of my invoices just for my records, so I went ahead and scanned both invoices into my notes in my iPhone. So that's her package sealed, and it's not gonna come loose. And then I'm gonna put it in the pink bag. So once she sends me her address, I'll be able to ship it to her, create her label, and ship it to her on top. And then when you turn it over, I'll have a flat surface to put the shipping label right there at the front. So while I wait for her to reply to me and let me know what her address is so I can ship it to her, I'm gonna show you all how I request a pickup for packages from my house. All right, y'all, so both labels have been printed for both packages. Now I'm going to show you all how I request USPS to pick it up from my house so I don't have to go to the post office. So when you go to the USPS app, you want to go to schedule pickup at the bottom. And you can see that I've had previous pickups, but you want to go to schedule a new pickup at the top. And then it's going to ask you for your name, business name, your address, email, and phone number. And then you just submit your information. It'll take you to a second page where it's going to ask you information about your package. So here it asks, where should the carrier look for your shipment? And it gives you a variety of options to choose from. I usually tell them to knock on the door or ring the doorbell because I don't want to just leave my package out there. But you can see it has a lot of options to choose from. And then it also asks, is there a dog at this address? I don't have a dog. And then it's going to ask, how many items are we picking up? I'm going to put in 2. And since my packages don't weigh a lot, I just go ahead and round the pounds up to 1 pound for each package. So 2 pounds total. And then you just put your information in and schedule your pickup.